Greetings everyone. Today I would like to talk about one symbol that makes a lot of mess. This symbol. This is a Nepal picture. It's in some on a temple of a Nepalian temple, and this symbol is their number one, and this symbol is the teachings of Buddha. And of course, this is the compassionate eye of Buddha. Buddha was so compassionate that he said that poor people are destined to live poor or end this life as a poor human because they did something wrong in their previous life, and they must pay for their sins. Of course, this is a Indian traditional idea that you must not help to those poor people, and it is because of karma. And there you have this symbol. This symbol is making a more mess than this symbol, because some Mongol lamas try to use this symbol. Of course, when a person is saying something, this thing must come from this. So there is a question why this compassionate Buddha is speaking about something that is opposite, that is in his head. So he is thinking about something that points up, but he is speaking something that points down. So this makes no sense. This is the fat form of this symbol. Looks like an animal dung, and this is Mongolian sun, moon, and fire symbol. And moon is made of a number 2, sun is made of a number 1. Of course, fire is made of a trinity. But they replace it with this symbol, and they couldn't explain it. And they simply say that it's teachings of Buddha. And they even changed the sun with a lotus. Of course, these plants and lotuses doesn't grow without sun. And even they change the sun and simply use this symbol. You can find this symbol on Buddha's black cup and on a book, saying that this is aroma of this food, and this is the meaning of this book, something like that. Well, that's what I think about this messy symbol, and I don't like this shitty symbol, because this symbol looks like a number 6. When a Buddha tries to show that he is the teacher of Trinity, he doesn't do this or do this, he do this, number 3. But from your viewer's point of view, it will turn into a number 6. Number 6 is the symbol for sphere, and it's a symbol for emptiness. Why? There's one point that is called up, one point that is called down, left, right, front, and behind. Total, you have 6 numbers around you, like a sphere. And you're the middle. Your must be a number 7. That's why Mongols like a number 7. And we say that there is a 7 stars that represents our ancestors. So number 6 is 3 balloons without center. Well, that's pretty much for today, and thanks for watching.